Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic Proxy for School Chromebook 2023. Introduction. Welcome to the future of education technology. Our next generation Chromebook Proxy for 2023 offers faster and more secure browsing for students. What is a proxy? A proxy is an intermediary server that separates end users from the websites they browse. It can be used to bypass internet filters and provide anonymity online. Importance of proxy for school Chromebooks. A proxy ensures secure internet access and prevents unauthorized access to inappropriate content. It also protects students' privacy and data. How to set up proxy on school Chromebooks? To set up a proxy on your school Chromebooks in 2023, go to settings, then click network options, then click proxy settings and input the necessary information provided by your school. Benefits of using proxy on school Chromebooks. Using a proxy on school Chromebooks provides an additional layer of online security, encrypts internet traffic, and allows for anonymous browsing. Conclusion. As we move toward 2023, we can expect to see more advanced and secure school technologies such as AI assisted learning and blockchain based security measures. Thank you for considering me as your proxy for the school Chromebook in 2023. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.